Hi, this is Ashley of Shep Publishing, and in this video, I'm going to show you a book launch timeline for your book. And so here across the top, we have different timelines or times during your book launch process. At the very least, you want to have 6 months. If you can't do that, then definitely adjust this accordingly. It's even better if you can have longer, such as a year. But anyway, so you would start here, and once you click the show more button, it'll give you the steps of how to use this. And so there are a few key features I do want to point out. On the left side, these are tasks that are a great example of the different kinds of things you would want to do to prepare for your book launch. By no means should you do all these things. Not required to be successful. On the right side, there's details about them if it was something that needed a little bit extra explanation. Some will have links, things of that sort. And then there's a place for you to link different resources that you might need for that step. So, for example, let's say you are mapping this out. So let's say your book launch is, let's go actually. We'll start in, okay, we'll do 1 month after. So you're going to work backwards with this. So let's say that your launch is June 3rd. So then 1 month after that would be July 3rd. And I would just fill that in here. And you, of course, can adjust the size of the columns. And then you're just going to backtrack. And one of the nice things is that since this is Excel, it'll take the sheets, or I'm sorry, it'll take the dates for you, and you can just adjust. So 1 week, 2, 3. So that would be June 6th, I'm sorry, June 12th, and so on. So then you're just going to fill in these dates according to that. And then you're going to decide when you want to do these different items. So the items that are further towards the top are going to be ones you want to do further out because they will take more time and they affect everything else. So for example, your project plan, you would want to do that 6 months out, well in advance. Doing research, that could be something that's a little closer in, or you could try to plan it ahead of time. So essentially, you're just going to go through this list and then place an X on the areas that fit when you're going to do that task. If you would prefer, you can also adjust this to add the dates in the columns here. So let's say instead of just doing the month of the week, let's say you want to get a little bit more specific, then you would just go up to the top, insert a column, and maybe you want to put an exact date. So on May 5th, I want to make sure that I do this thing. And so you can just adjust it that way. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you don't already have this as part of my book launch success kit, please check out the link that's attached to this video to get it for yourself.